Want to turn your imagination into actual images using Google's latest AI tool? Then you've got to try ImageFX, Google's own AI image generator. Whether you want fantasy landscapes, product mockups, or fun avatars, ImageFX can bring your text prompts to life in seconds. But how exactly do you use it? That's what we're walking through today. Before we jump in, make sure to like this video and hit the subscribe button for more AI tool breakdowns, tech tutorials, and creative hacks. Let's get started. First, go to google.com/ImageFX. If you're not already signed in, log in with your Google account. Just keep in mind, ImageFX is currently available in limited regions and might require joining Google Labs or the AI Test Kitchen depending on your country and account. Once you're in, you'll see a clean and simple interface with a single text box at the bottom. This is where the magic happens. Type in anything you want to generate, say, a futuristic cityscape at night with glowing neon lights, or a cozy cabin in the woods during snowfall, ultra-realistic. Hit enter, and within seconds, ImageFX will generate 4 AI images based on your prompt. Here's the cool part. Next to each word in your prompt, you'll see prompt chips, little buttons you can click to quickly swap words with similar ideas. For example, change snowfall to rainstorm, or cozy cabin to modern villa, without rewriting the whole prompt. Click any image to enlarge it, download it, or use it as a base to generate new variations. You can also report issues or flag images directly, since this tool is still being refined. It's not just for fun. Designers, marketers, storytellers, and even educators are using tools like ImageFX to brainstorm and visualize ideas quickly. If this helped you get started with ImageFX, drop a like and hit subscribe. We cover all the latest AI tools and how to make the most of them. If you found this video helpful, give it like and hit subscribe button and press bell icon for more tech videos like that. And if you faced any issue, you can comment down in comment section. I will help you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.